It's been about an hour since the rain has stopped. This is just showing you how quickly stuff evaporates here. I also want to show you how much stuff floods. This is our park. It's usually all grass. But as you can see, it's underwater. I shit you not, this is not a lake. It's our park. And I can get closer here. Kind of see how the grass is under the water. Yeah. This is only one day of rain. It rained today, and that's it. And all this happened. Usually for this to happen, it's about a couple days of rain. There you go, this is a sidewalk, just completely submerged in water here. As you can see, I'm slipping all over the mud. The ground's so soft right now. Just completely submerged. This part of the park again. The sidewalk usually goes all the way out there, but it's completely underwater. Just a typical day of rain in Arizona. Yeah, see, everything dries up fast except in the grass. There's a park, sand stuff. There's another view of the underwater park here. It's just all underwater. Going down here now. This is just my neighborhood too. It doesn't really usually get too bad here. You see the mud there, the water. Lots of water. Some mud up here. You can see the water has come down through the soil. Got it so loose, and it just brought all this crap along with it. That one was made today, you could tell. See all this mud in this? It's usually a clear sidewalk. This is brought here by all the damn rain. Here you go. These are older ones. They just get so far deep because the water just erodes it all away. Here you go. Oh, sinkhole. Here you go. The ground here literally collapsed. This is the first time I've seen it here. I'm scared to even step around it. You can see, you'd fall right through. I just did. See that? It's crazy. All that. You can see where the water has been flowing along the side. It just tries to get anywhere it can to escape here. See these big rocks here? The water drug it. It's usually, if you can see, by where that gate-looking thing is. This is all sidewalk that's underwater. You can see where that gate-looking thing is down there. Those are usually where the rocks are. Take you around there. There's still some above water. Yeah, this is usually all sidewalk. That lamp, that light post Usually has concrete under it, so it's all submerged. Big rocks started out about here. What was that? Just makes a mess out of everything here. We'll have this flood stuff here for about 3 or 4 days. It doesn't go away quick, and it's not on the concrete on the asphalt. But we don't have any storm drains here. There's a plant that's usually above the water. It's usually in the ground. You can see it ground there. Completely roots so submerged. Here we don't have plants that need water as much, so it doesn't suck it up. Yeah, here you go again. Here's your storm drainage. That's what I like to call it. The river flows, you know? Alright, well, this is a typical, well, not a typical day, I shouldn't say. It was a bad rainstorm for one day here. Alright, I'm out. Peace.